How to hide birthday on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you hide birthday on your Snapchat account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Snapchat application with your account. Alright, so now after you open Snapchat with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. And now from this section, you'll have to tap on settings just at the top right corner. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to go the option birthday, so it will appear on the third one. So simply tap on this birthday. Alright, so now from this birthday section, you'll be able to see this birthday party option. So from here, to hide your birthday on Snapchat, you'll have to just uncheck this option from here. And now after you uncheck this option from Snapchat, you'll be able to hide your birthday on Snapchat. So this is the easiest and simplest method to hide birthday on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get notified for the quick and short tutorial video like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.